getting tired, it's not an easy issue. You get tired, your legs are paining, but they tell you, you know what? You go and climb that tree. After you come back, eat for 4 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Members, queens, it's done. Time is over. Let's go. You live there, you're mute. You live there, you're mute. One day you cry because of it. But all in all, keep tight. Yes? Stop dumping dust. I'm going to come here abruptly. He's a person who works from Butonde. My friend, one of my colleagues. You know, when they give me time to talk, I can even forget my mom's name. Okay? But always be confident, believe in yourself. Okay? When they say, come for this, be the right person to go. Go for modeling, you be the first one, you're the first line. Yes. When they call like, who were the sons, be the first one. Even if you know that your answer is very wrong. What I loved on myself most when it comes to mathematics classes, yes? Even if I didn't know the answer, I get the answer from the board. My teachers can tell me, even if I don't know the method, I gamble it. Then I end up with the right answer. You cannot. Buganda first runs up. At the same time, she's the Miss Tourism, Kyaggwe, my first runs up. She's the Miss Tourism. Sawadu Mtenjel. Shall 3 titles, I'm having 2. Today Luganda. Ndi ogiwa wanu. 2017. Na joining up from 1. There. Then S2. Natugana mchurch. Banange ba document yako bakategeera. Nyinza okuba mwete mukamanye, but my document akategeera. I joined Form 3. Then I went to the main hall for Form 4. I departed. I went to Centranga Technical Institute Malongwe. Ndi ambassador eyo. I'm doing engineering. I'm a mechanic by profession. And I'm in my 2nd year next year. I'm calling you for my graduation. What I would like to tell you young girls who are here, muli balungi nnyo. Yes? And don't let a boy to tell you that you're beautiful. In fact, okimanyi oli mulungi. Letaba kugamba that you're beautiful. Yes? You're beautiful, you're handsome. Nobody should show you that you're beautiful. Okay? Mama, my mom used to tell me that I'm beautiful. Yes, I am beautiful. And I'm proud of it. Okay? Don't let anybody distract you from what brought you here. You came here alone. Yes? Don't let someone distract you from what brought you here. You came here for one purpose. What is it? Studying. Tochivako. Okay? Ani aina taga yange. I was a prefect here. Mess Minister teachers. Who was my tag? I've liked her for one thing. She's confident. Senior 5, senior 6, she's going to be the head girl because she's confident. get this crown is confidence. Public speaking. Can you speak in people? Can you ask for votes? Can you say it's time for breakfast? Can you go there, you bring tea? That groomed me into a person you see. Okay? Semenyo Mantova, I'm shy. I was also shy. But let alone I realized that I need to be a strong person in life. Where I resigned from, I'm on the cabinet. It's a good cabinet. So I'm a president, vice. I'm the head monitor. When I say head monitor, most people fear me because if I say please, go away from there, I mean it. If I say it's time for class, my dear, when you're dead. Yes! Because I'm one of the person who can stamp on your papers to get out of the campus. It's time for class, you're on phone. Class, they allow us with phone. It's time for classes, you're on phone chatting. I don't allow such. I just move outside. I go in the office, so they protect this is a culprit.
Louder than that. Louder than that.
Okay, thank you. If I get you into that act, I just go straight to the deputy's office. I say, this one and this one is a culprit. My dear, they call your parents, you wave. Yeah, you wave like a queen, yeah? Most people, I was seeing some people like clapping like a queen. So I said gently. That's it. It's gentle. Okay? I don't know whether it's at that point or what point. Be with a God. My goal is to become a lecturer. She's confident. How many people have just come here? You didn't come. She's confident. I've liked her for that. Thank you. Assistant head girl. She's the assistant head girl, yes? Yes. Yeah, I was shy. I didn't go for this. I went for stomach issues. Then there, on that post, I gained my confidence. That's why I'm the head monitor. I'm the secretary in Koba Zambogo Club. I'm the secretary, Region of Mary. I'm the secretary, Sacred Heart of Jesus. And I'm the head for furniture. If I find desks there, you people will suffer. They're outside. If rain comes, you leave them there. Fire. For us at the campus, you don't see any material which is used in class outside. Because that is my responsibility besides being the head monitor. I handle furniture. I was talking about the goals. Set a goal. Me personally, I want to be a lecturer, a professor in engineering. And I know one day I will reach at the top. Yeah. I can ask someone, what do you want to be? Sweetheart, what do you want to be? A doctor. Doctors are brave. You speak, I want to be a doctor. With confidence, because that's what you want. Yes? Next time, believe in yourself and do more sciences. Everything you do more. Zenatula waneno COVID. You people, some of you were at home. I remember Trevor, I was in Form 1. Yes? Form 2, Form 1. Form 2. Yeah, they were at home. We used to travel from home. Ngago weyagalide. You come here, you study your books. We used to come. Asoma. Why I brought a mango tree? I was one of the person. Abakubanga emiyembe gino. Era one day nali nkubye emmotoka y'omukulu. Saba mukama wange omusango gwo tewagumanya but nakubona kozi lyagwa Mabayi ne ngamba awo ne ngamba Benja n'awalampa. That's why I brought a mango tree. Yes? Members, are we together? That's why I brought a mango tree. Another reason what I've seen here. Members, we keep our environment clean, yeah? I'm campaigning for bottles. And look, in front of me, there is a bottle down. Mine, I tried to put in the basket. My mom told me, I tried it, but that is it. You have to be principled to win. You have to set your principles as a young girl. If you say don't throw it at home at night, mean it. Even if your mom sends you ngaziri sawa nya, your principles zigamba toina fuluma waka. Mugamba, I'm not going anywhere because this and this, I'm principled. Yes? Set your principles. A person who doesn't have principles, you're a school dropout. That is it. Because over toina chogendererwa. Toina kwa imiridde. Watuba tusoma accounts. Nasoma accounts nisoma ni commerce. There are principles, eh? A two column cash book, aina principles is the journal book, aina principles. Why don't you be with a principal? The agriculture, myself to me, they have principles. It's my teacher. He taught me from senior 1 up to senior 2. Then I said the agriculture thing. No. It's a beautiful uniform. And people were wondering, where did you went?